So hey, what's up guys, this is Anany Jain from Anany's Tech and Car World, and friends, in this video I'm going to unbox the Apple AirPods Pro, and also I'm going to compare them to Apple AirPods 2. So now let's start our video. So friends, here is the box of our AirPods. So let's open this. Let me keep it aside, and then here are designed by Apple in California, and then inside AirPods Pro, user manual and guide, paperwork, all that. And then here is our AirPods. Let's see what else inside the box. So here are extra silicone tips, and then here is one USB-C to Lightning charging cable. And guys, basically these silicone tips are according to your ear sizes. Okay, so now let's talk about our AirPods. Just let me keep this all stuff aside. Oh man. And then here are our AirPods. Wow. Wow. Let's take them out. What a small size they have. That looks great. So friends, now the comparison time. But I have put the cases on both the AirPods, but you can justify that this is more wider and this is more longer. Now let's talk about the AirPods. So let me take out first the Pro. The AirPods Pro is aside, and these are the AirPods. Okay, so first thing which you will notice is the size, because the AirPods Pro have a bit compact and a smaller size, and these fit really very easily into the ears. And the next thing which I like about the AirPods Pro is that they have the silicone tips, but these don't have the silicone tips, and yeah, sometimes these hurt when you are wearing these for a very long time, and you will get two adjustable sizes in the box of this silicone tips. So yeah, that's also good. And third, and the most important thing, the noise cancellation. So friends, this has been 2 or 3 days to me using these AirPods, because I am shooting after 2 or 3 days of unboxing, and I have used these AirPods for my online classes and also for watching YouTube, and really the noise cancellation is super. You can use them with noise cancellation also and without noise cancellation also, and yeah, they have a longer battery life than these. So yeah guys, this was a comparison between the AirPods Pro and the AirPods. So this was an unboxing of Apple AirPods Pro and also a comparison of them with the Apple AirPods 2. So I hope you like this video, share this video and send your thoughts in the comment box. And guys, till now if you have not subscribed to the channel, so guys, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you will be notified from all the videos fast. So bye bye for this time.